Good day, I welcome you all to this platform where you learn how to make use of Microsoft Word effectively. And as you can see, today we look at what we call file. File is one of the important things you need to have, and you need to know what is under them one after the other. As you can see, under file we have many items there, and each one of them have their own functions. So the function of A is different from function of B, as we can see. The first one we have here is save. So save will open a dialog box for you to save your work. If you have not saved your work before, it will ask you to save your work against next time. In case you want to open it next time, you'll be able to open it, and then maybe you want to make correction or you want to reprint the work. Maybe you just type the work, you draft it out, and then you have not even completed it, and then you want to complete the work after some minutes or some hours. You have already shut down your system. So the next thing to do is what? You go back there and then you'll be able to get the work, and you continue the work. So without saving the work, how do you want to get it back? It will be very difficult for you to get it back. So you need to save your work. So let's call this one lesson. Let's call this one lesson 2. Lesson 2, we save lesson 2. As you can see on title bar here, we have lesson 2, and then we have the name of environment we are working on, which is Microsoft Word. Now after that one, we have save as. Save as allow you to what? To change the name. You had maybe the existing name of your work is lesson 2. Now I want to change to another name, so I can decide to change it. You click on save as, and then it will take it to what? Where you want to change. I can make it lesson 3 now. If you look at it, before it's lesson 2, now as you can see, now it's lesson 3. Look at it here, you see it, the information about the work you are doing says what? Lesson 3, as you can see. So the next one is open. Open will allow you to open an existing work, the one you have on Microsoft, the one you have on your system as a Microsoft Word work. So if you look at it now, all the work we have that is Microsoft Word before, you can see them, they are appearing, and there are many more here. There are many. So you see them, there are many here. So they are appearing depend on the one you depend on the name. If you look at it, all of them have their own name. So when you are doing your work, make sure you save your work first before you go ahead to type your work. So look at it. Assuming I want to open this one, if it is good, just click on it and click open. Do you see it? It will open the work for me. Do you see it now? This is the work, and then this one enable you to what? This work is not today. How do you know? Let's look at the day we do this work. You see the information about the work. Look at it. Since 2022, 6 what? That is the June 28th, 2022. That is the day we do the work. So remember, look at it now. Since that time, the work is still on the system. If I want to make amendment on it, I can make amendment on it, and then what? If I want to reprint it, I can also print it. That's the work of what? Open. We have close. Close your work. Close the environment you are working on. Do you see it now? It has closed. So that's what we have under close. It will just close your work automatically. So while you have saved, it will close it for you. While we have info display the information about the work you are dealing with. Do you see it? This one we are just dealing with now. We just open this document. There's no any much about it. The page we have, the word we have typed. We have not typed any word. We have not edited anything. So look at it. All the property about the work you are dealing with is appearing here. That's what we call, this one is the property of the work you are dealing with. So that is the information we are talking about. Now we have recent displaying the recent work you, maybe the work you just finished with. Look at it. We just closed Gold. If you remember, you opened this Gold work before you close it. Now it's appearing under what? Under recent document. So that is what we have here. And then any one of them you want to make use of it again, you can quickly open it and then start using it. While new, under the new, we have to open a new document. Either you press Ctrl N or you go to new to open a new document. So when you press Ctrl N or you go to new, so just click on create. When you click on create, it will open new document. If you look at it, we are under good work before. We have already opened many work down. We have other good work before. By the time I press Ctrl plus N now, if I press Ctrl and N, it will just open another page for me automatically. How do you close the one you open, the one you don't like, the one you don't want to use? How do you close it? Just click on close here, or easily way, you can also go to this side, this place, click on close, and it will close the work for you automatically. That's how to close the work, as I said. So this is the one we are dealing with before. Okay, I've already closed that one too. So this is another one, the one we open. Apart of that, we have another thing under this file. File is very important to us to know. We need to know what is under file one after the other. The next thing we have under file is print. That's where you print your work. If you type from here to toe, you need to print what you type, or what to use as a soft copy. Soft copy is the one we see on the phone or on the system that has not come out, the one we have not print on paper is what we call soft copy. While the hard copy is the one we print out, the one we read, like textbook, all those things, they are hard copy. So that you can be able to differentiate two of them now. And if you have any comment, make sure you ask questions. So if you have any question, ask me other comments. So comment your questions, send your question, I will reply your question, and I will also make use of it to create another video, so that we'll be able to get more experience about the Microsoft Word. Now print will show you preview. As you see this area, that's how the preview of your work you are dealing with. Look at it, this is the work you are dealing with since. So the preview of your work, and then you here will come to this side to come and select the kind of printer, the type of printer you want to use. As you can see here, I have enough of printer, the one I'm using to print my work. So depend on the one I want to use today. So look at it, this one is ready. If it's this one also ready, so any one of them that is ready I want to use, so I'll just click on it. Assuming I want to use this one, but this one is offline, but by the time you plug your printer cable into it, so it will be ready for you. So I want to use this one, I click on it. Now you can also set, see, printer property. What is the property about the printer, what you need to set about the printer. All those things we talk about it little by little in next video too, so you need to watch out for the next video. Here you set your paper, the paper is set, everything is set here. How do I want to print it? Remember there's color here. If I want to print it color, I'll mark this black and white. But if I want to print it black and white, I will mark it as black and white. But if it's color, do you see this color is changing? If it's black and white, see this place is black and white, and if it's what, you see this place is what, this see color here, see black and white. So this one is combination of black and white and color. So depend on the way I want to print it. When you are through, you click OK, that you are done with property. How many page? See, print all the pages. How many pages do I have here? Look at it, I have 10. It's 10 pages I want to have. But if I don't want to print all the whole pages, what do? I just type the page I want. If it's only first page I want to print, I'll type 5. I will type 1. If it's 2 page I want to print, second page, I will type 2. If it's 3 page I want to print, which is page 3 I want to print, I will type print. And if I want to print from 1 to 5, usually from page 1 to 5 I want to print, I'll just type 5 and then put hyphen between the two of them. After putting hyphen between the two of them, I'll type what, 5. After that, I'll click on print, and then print what, it will send the system, send the work to the printer immediately. So that's how to do that way. And then the other one is how to send. This send we talk about next, and the help we talk about the help option and exist. That one will come up on the next video. Watch out for the next video. Don't forget to send your comment down, and then so that I'll work on it. Comment and then like the video, share it, and then that we're able to work on the next question. Send your question if you have any question based on this one we are already talk about, and if you have another question based on any other one that is bothering you, just send your question and we'll reply it. See you next video. Let's see, creating happen.